Today, we are at the Silver Lake Sand Dunes, and we try to get out here every season. This time, well, we've got a little friendly competition planned. Let's go.
An awesome thing about renting from Silverback Offroad is we are sitting here in the parking lot, and right there is the Dune Ready entrance, right across the street.
So I'm putting up a challenge. We're each gonna be able to take 2 laps. We want the smoothest driving that we possibly can, and then we have to make an edit. And I am going to go with the smoothest, most beautiful footage that I possibly can get, set to, I don't know, this kind of music.
All right, so for mine, I want to have an electronic style, some sort of EDM music. Quick cuts on the beats, I like that.
So that completes our challenge. Mine, smooth. Andy's, fast cuts. So which one do you like better? Mine, smooth. Andy's, quick cuts, fast edits, electronic. You decide. Before we got here, we stopped at Country Dairy for lunch, and that place is just incredible. There's farm to table, but there's also what is here, which is table at a farm. So all the stuff is incredibly fresh and delicious, but it helped me accomplish a goal that I've wanted to do at Silver Lake Sand Dunes for a really long time. Every time we're here, we see people parked right along Lake Michigan. They bring their rigs out here and they go and have a picnic. I've never been able to do that. So we got a couple of supplies from Country Dairy, and we're gonna go do that now.
Got some sweet and spicy jerky. I figured that'd be a great snack when we were taking a break today.
This is like a steak.
I know. One more thing. I got myself
dessert.
A monster cookie.
Earlier today, I said we like to come out here in every season, and that couldn't be more true. They just started a program a couple years ago where now we can ride fat tire bikes in the winter on these exact dunes. Now, granted, it takes a little bit more time to get to the top of Test Hill, but on my fat tire bike, I was able to accomplish that as well. In the summertime, the dunes look like this. And then in the winter, completely different. Looks like this. And right now, well, we're gonna take one more lap. And while we do, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about Silver Lake Sand Dunes and a couple things in this area. This place is just awesome because you can bring your gear out here. And the cool thing is you're not just hitting a trail where you're riding in a straight line for a long distance. It's a scramble area, which means that you can drive around, you can pick your line. And then there's the big directional hills, which that honestly, it feels like a roller coaster, especially when you're out here in your own rig and you're able to just really rip up and down those hills. Personally, for me, the rental is exactly what I need because I get to have fun. When I'm done, I hand the keys back and I'm like, thanks for the day.